Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glady Tech. Today I'll be teaching you how to fix and downloaded files not showing on your Telegram. If you download the file and it's not showing on your Telegram, this is what you have to do. Please watch this video to the very end to get every detail on how to handle such problem. So guys, if you're new to this channel, please tap on the subscription bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. So for you to be able to fix downloaded files not showing, this is what you have to do. Let's go. Tap on search for setting using the search engine here. Okay, this is my setting. So tap on app management. Let's look for app management here. So this is my app management. Tap on app list. So this is my app list. On my apps list, I'll be looking for Telegram here. So this is Telegram. On Telegram, look for permission. Make sure that look for permission. Okay, this is permission. On permission, make sure that your file and media allows access to allows access. So allow access to media only. So let's tap on it. It should allow access. Then let's go back. Then tap on storage and cache. Okay. Don't have it here. You can get that by going out from here. It's not here, but I can still get that by okay, look at it here. So tap on storage and cache. On storage and cache, you have to clear your cache. So by clearing your cache, you give space for other downloaded files to come in. So now you have to go back to your Telegram. So let me tap Telegram. So this is my Telegram. On my Telegram now, you can download any file that you wish to download. Then go and you will see it. It will show in the Telegram after clearing your cache and making sure that there is access for it to be saved on your Telegram. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.